Someone got stuck in the snow. Ooh, doggies. We really got it. Yep, someone got stuck. Someone got stuck in the snow.
Yeah, mine's blue cold up here.
Uh-oh. She got stuck. Do what, William? Is the back door going to get undone?
Do what? That's my blue car. Well, I'll call them again. If I can get out of here and get to Dylan's, I can just leave it there and walk back over here. I'll call them again. Let me get up to my dad and I'll check. Oh my God. Okay.
Lovely weather, huh?
Do what?
It's lovely weather.
Absolutely.
Now let me get out of your way. Is the back door going to get unstuck?
Back door's open.
Oh, it is? Woo.
I gotta get to work. Okay, thank you.
This way, I was going to get out of here. I said, I ain't getting out of here. I'm going to go to Walmart. Oh my God.
I'm going to get my, really cleared out.
Ooh, doggy. Oh my God. Yeah, we had a 5-6 foot snow drift blocked the door. They got it undone. Boy, they really look at the snow. Ooh, doggies. Ricky said he was sitting there watching it build up. He wasn't kidding. Look at that. Ooh.